say that it feels right.
Bollywood tops the list when it comes to displaying emotions, sentiments, love, or romance in the form of motion cinema. Even Hollywood could learn a lesson or two when it comes to producing an emotional drama for the biggest screen. Bollywood has successfully portrayed the love, affection, and bonding between the families in the most beautiful way. We present here a list of Indian movies that portray the relationship between a father and his children in the most beautiful way. All these movies are milestones in their own way and prove to us that we have been celebrating Father's Day long before the concept was commercialized. So enjoy these movies with your dad and make the day truly special for him. When you talk about a father-son relationship, Shakti comes out to be the most grayish movie of all. This is the first movie that brings veteran actor Dilip Kumar and the Shahnshah of Bollywood, Amitabh Bachchan, on a screen. The duo plays the father and son respectively, where Dilip Kumar is a strict police officer who puts his duty first before everything else, while his son, since from the childhood, has always felt distant from his father. If you ask me, then Wake Up Sid has to be the best movie when it comes to portray a father-son relationship, as it offers a real-life touch to the overall plot of the movie, which gets you connected, starring Ranbir Kapoor as the lazy son and Anupam Kher as his father. The movie is about how Ranbir Kapoor finds his way to a better life and it starts getting responsible. Next on the list is one of the darkest social drama of the list, Udaan. It displays the story of a son and his abusive father, starring Ronit Roy, Ram Kapoor, and Rajat Barmecha in pivotal roles. Udaan is a movie that focuses on the dark side of our society. It is a story of Rohan, played by Rajat, who ends up with his alcoholic and abusive father, played by Ronit Roy. The movie is all about how Rohan's life changes after he starts living with his father. Will he defy his father's aggressive attitude, or will he suppress to it? You should watch the movie to find out. There would not be a single Bollywood fan who won't be aware of the movie Pa. It was a unique movie on its own, where real-life father-son acted as real father-son in the movie. The real-life father, Amitabh Bachchan, played the role of the son of his real-life son, Abhishek Bachchan. It's an Indian comedy drama film starring Amitabh Bachchan as the 12-year-old boy with an extremely rare genetic disorder, while Abhishek Bachchan and Vidya Balan play his father and mother respectively. The movie is about Oro, who reconciles with his pa, and how he tries to sort things between his father and mother. Coming up next on the list is Apne, the full-on family drama starring the Deol family, including Dharmendra, Sunny Deol, and Bobby Deol, reprising the roles of their real life in the movie, along with Shilpa Shetty, Katrina Kaif, and Kiran Kher in the supporting roles. Apne is a movie based on family values and what you would do for your own family. You won't find many Bollywood movies based on the great Indian historic era. The main reason being the bar set by one of the greatest movies of all the time, which even today creates a huge rush in the cinema houses. The movie is none other than Mughal-e-Azam. Released in 1960, the movie was a historical epic based on Mughal Emperor Akbar and the love affair between Mughal Prince Salim and Anarkali. Despite being an epic love story in the history of Bollywood cinema, the movie also highlights the relationship between father and son. It shows how a father who loved his son more than his life sentenced him to death, favoring the duty towards his kingdom. There will be nobody in India who has never heard of Mahatma Gandhi or his original name, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. But how many of you know about his son, Hiralal Gandhi, who ruined his life as he wasn't able to survive under the shadow of his father, known to the whole world as Mahatma? It's a must-watch to experience the love and hate relation between father and son displayed brilliantly. Waqt, The Race Against Time, is a Bollywood movie completely based on father-son relationship. It focuses on the concerns every father has regarding his son's or daughter's future. All parents wish to make sure that their kid's future is secured once they are gone. Amitabh Bachchan plays the father, while Akshay Kumar plays the son, with Priyanka Chopra, Shefali Shah, Boman Irani, and Rajpal Yadav in supporting roles. The movie revolves around the great bonding the father and son share, and how the father takes a drastic step in order to add a sense of responsibility to his son, which affects their bonding. Watch the movie to find out if Amitabh Bachchan is successful in his plan. Next in the list we have Masoom, released in 1983. It is the Bollywood's adaptation of Eric Segal's Man, Woman and Child, partly focused on a man's relation with his illegitimate son. Masoom boasted of a stellar cast that included Shabana Azmi, Nasiruddin Shah and Jugal Hansraj. Next on the list we have Akele Hum Akele Tum. Aamir Khan begins as an immature father in the movie. However, the son sticks by him and Aamir learns how to take care of his son while battling for his custody with his wife. They struggle to survive as Aamir is largely unsuccessful in his career, yet they find love in each other even during miserable times. Shah Rukh Khan suffers from Asperger's syndrome in this movie My Name is Khan. The aim is to show that differently able people are capable of providing unconditional love too. Rizwan accepts and loves Mandira's son as his own and goes to the great lengths to prove it during the entire movie. A must watch. Chachi 420, a comedy movie that brings out the love between a father and his daughter. After losing visitation rights, Jay, played by Kamal Hassan, dresses up as a nanny to stay in contact with his daughter. The struggles of juggling his real life and his job, all done to be in touch with his daughter, will take you on an emotional yet joyous laughter ride. Dangal. It sets to highlight that fathers are the people who are best at recognizing even the hidden talents within their children. This movie affirms the notion that fathers always want the best for us. However, the elder daughter realizes it too late. The bond between the two daughters and the father will make you want to hug your dad for all that he does for you. This is the best Bollywood movie about parenting. An orthodox, hard-headed father who refuses to think from his son's point of view realizes his mistake too late. The pent-up frustration and the hopelessness of the child at disappointing the father to being someone his father is proud of. Ishan Awasthi's is a journey we all go through. Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham. This family drama majorly revolves around the fallen equation between Yash Rai Chand, played by Amitabh Bachchan, and his son Rahul, played by Shah Rukh Khan. Yash Rai Chand is disappointed in Rahul for choosing a life against his wishes. The rest of the film focuses on repairing the fractured equation between father and son. It gives a message to the society that life is all about loving your parents and family. Piku. This is easily one of the best father-daughter movies in recent times. Bhaskar Banerjee, played by Amitabh Bachchan, is an old man who is suffering from constipation. He is like a needy and attention-seeking child, constantly clinging to his daughter Piku, played by Deepika Padukone. The rest of the film is about how the dynamics unfold between the father-daughter duo as they undertake a trip to Kolkata. Much wow. Baghban. This blockbuster family drama is a wonderful take on how relations of heart are sometimes greater than blood relations. Amitabh Bachchan and Hema Malini play an aging couple, Raj and Pooja Malhotra, who eventually see through their son's selfish and cunning ways as their blood children try to shun away from taking care of their old parents. Eventually, it is his adopted son Alok, played by Salman Khan, who takes the responsibility of his foster parents. Lovely watch. 102 Not Out. It's a comedy drama film with legendary actor Amitabh Bachchan playing a 102-year-old wanting to break the oldest man alive record. Another Bollywood legend, Rishi Kapoor, plays his sad and grumpy 75-year-old son. It's a great combination to see Amitabh as witty father and Rishi Kapoor as the serious son. Needless to say, performances of both actors are amazing. Go watch it. Chintu Ka Birthday is a heartwarming little movie that requests you not to shed your last ounce of optimism during trying times. The story revolves around an Indian family living in 2004 Iraq and how they are prepping to celebrate the birthday of 6-year-old Chintu. This is a film with its heart entirely in the right place, and it was indeed touching to see Chintu's father not giving up on wanting to celebrate Chintu's birthday, no matter what. You get a scene where the family goes through a harsh interrogation, but their bigger concern is how Chintu's birthday cake gets burned. Several moments like these light up the film and our hearts. Angrezi medium takes us to Udaipur, where Champak Bansal, played by Irfan Khan, lives with his family. When Irfan's daughter decides to pursue her studies in London, a hardworking father does everything in power to make her dreams come true. It is dedicated to all the wonderful fathers who want to do whatever they can to make their children happy and wonderful. In this movie, we see the story of unconditional love between a father and daughter.